Today we're making pizza dough, and we're going to start that off by putting a packet of yeast inside of 1 1/4 cup of water, just as hot as the top gets. We'll give that a little mix with our fork, and we'll let that sit for 5 minutes. So while that's doing that, we'll just cut to me. 5 minutes later, we're going to put that in there, and we're going to put flour in there. 3 to 3.5 cups is what it called for. I'm just doing 3 and seeing what the consistency will be like. So mix it up. Here I'm adding in some salt, 1 1/2 teaspoon. Mixing it up still, and then I'm adding some olive oil, 2 1/4 teaspoon. And now we are going to knead, and I can finally stop talking as fast because I can keep up with the time lapse just fine. A lot of kneading here. My arms are hurting. Yeah, not much to see besides just some hard work and some sweat for this pizza. I've got it to pretty good dough consistency. What I'm doing is I'm folding the edges kind of under to make it like shaped like a ball, like so. And then we're just gonna plop her in here, let her rise, and we shall have some pizza in like an hour and a half, ready to go in the oven. Alright, so now we have a dough ball, half the size of our other one, and it holds my hand in it, so we're good to go. I'm dividing it into 3 because I'm going to make 2 pizzas and 1 cheese bread. And as you can see here, I am hand tossing the crust of this pizza. Not a whole lot to see here. I'm just trying to make sure the crust edges around the pizza are not too thick and the middle doesn't get too thin, because that happens a lot when you're trying to throw a pizza. Put some sauce on there, some cheese. Yeah, I cheated and used store-bought sauce, but don't come for me, please, Dr. Moody. Anyway, we're gonna do some pepperoni and then mushroom on half of it. I love mushroom pepperoni, favorite kind of pizza. So that's it after it's cooked, and then that's the cheese bread after it's cooked. Also, side note, I forgot to say, they cooked at 520 for 8 minutes each. We shall see. Okay, so we're gonna try the pizza and cheese bread. That tastes a lot like the one in my restaurant I used to work at. I'm pretty high. That's good. Yeah, I think so. Thank you. I like it. And then I'm gonna try some of the like pizza part too. Macy didn't want to spoil her dinner, so you have to have the ranch in it as well. That's good. I would say it's a success.
I would agree.
I think when I make this again, because I definitely like the way it turned out, I think I do want to add a little more sauce though, or make the sauce taste a little stronger because it kind of got hidden in the pizza. But other than that, it turned out so well, and I'm really happy. I sent pictures to my family, and they are currently upset that they're not here.